Hello guys, here is I have LG K23 and this phone probably the screen is cracked and I'm going to show you how to replace this screen. First you're going to remove this SIM card tray. Now you're going to remove this back cover. There is no glue, just unclip it on all sides. So easy to remove it, it's not that hard to remove it. Yeah, there is some lock on side, so just unlock this and you can remove this back cover easily. We almost remove it. We remove this back housing. Now we're gonna remove this all screw. This all screw are stair screw. All screw are not same. There is some screw are bigger and most of the screw are small. So you have to keep separate which one is bigger and put it back same place and remove all screw. Now you're gonna remove this frame. That's the right side. You're gonna lift it up slowly. Just come out. And now we're gonna remove this bottom side. We remove both side. Now you're gonna disconnect the battery and disconnect the screen connection and disconnect this charger port plugs and there's the power and volume button plugs. Remove this camera connection. Now you're gonna separate the motherboard from right side. You're gonna lift it up slowly and remove this motherboard. Go all the way down and remove this charging port. First we're gonna disconnect this ribbon and now we're gonna remove this screw first, then remove the charging port. And here is the vibration. Use some alcohol. This 99% alcohol you can find on Walgreens CVS. And remove this camera. It's just on bottom side, not top of the camera. You cannot put the alcohol top of the camera, just on bottom side. Little bit and it's come out. You can see on bottom side. And here is power bottle. Use some alcohol first. We put the alcohol. Now you're gonna remove this volume and power button plugs with this tweezer. Remove this plugs and now we're gonna remove this battery. We're gonna use plastic tools. Do not use steel blade to remove the battery. If you try to use the steel blade, it might sometimes it's got leak and it's burned the battery. So always use plastic tools to remove it. And sometimes you can remove with the plastic, but this does not look hard. So we're gonna use plastic tools to remove the battery. If it goes bend, it's not a problem. Later we're gonna fix the bend battery. Both sides. Gonna try and remove this battery. Now you're gonna make it straight the battery. You can see it's nothing damaged on the side. Just with the finger we're gonna make it straight. And do not use this steel blade to remove this battery. I see a lot of people say when they try to remove this battery, they explode the battery. It's got fire because steel blade when it's got leak, steel blade plus and minus negative and positive get burn the battery. So do not use the steel blade. You can do only a little bit lifting up, then use plastic tool to remove all the way. So now we're gonna remove this charging port plugs. Slowly you're gonna lifting up. So we remove everything from there. Now you're gonna install the new screen. This screen is the frame one. There is another screen on the market without frame. but with the Prime one is better, easy to install it, and you don't have to use a glue for that. You already install back the motherboard. Now you're gonna install back the camera. And now you're gonna connect this screen connection, and here is the charging port. Just keep it on center, and then press it down, and there is a screw. You're gonna put it back and organize the antenna connection on the line. There is one hole on the rubber side. This just press it down under that hole. Now you're gonna connect the charging port plugs. Already connect. Now we're gonna install the battery. There is glue on the previous, so we're gonna put extra glue tape, and we're gonna put back this now camera and power button plugs and connect it. Now you're gonna install we're gonna connect this battery connection and put back this motherboard cover, and here is the camera rubber. We just put it back there, and we're gonna press it down all the way, all side. There is lock all side, so just press it down. Yeah, press it down all the way. Now you're gonna put it back all the screw, and there is some bigger screw and some smaller screw. I cannot show you because of screw size, so you can take a look when you remove this screw. You're almost done to put it back all the screw. Now you're gonna put it back housing. Just press it down all the way, all side. It's easy to press it. Now you're gonna install back the SIM card tray. Now you're gonna turn on. Make sure it has a charge. Yeah, it has a charge. Now you're gonna turn on. It's turning on. Swipe up. Go to the emergency. See, screen is working all letter. Yeah, it's working fine. That's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.